Hello everybody. We got off on our adventures and I haven't been keeping up. But I'm back and I want to pick up where I left off. We finished up at Congaree National Park and we headed south, heading down to Florida to catch some warmer weather and to visit the Everglades and Biscayne National Park. This is a little campground we stopped at the north end of Florida. We were really just passing through, spent one night here, and then we continued on our journey down south. Florida's big and we got a late start. So we had to drive through town and get to the south end of Fort Myers late in the day, which is on the Gulf side of the peninsula, on a little island called Estero Island. Pulling in the dark, we could see the water and smell the water, but we didn't really know what we were in for. The next morning, we woke up to terrific weather, which was a really terrific change of pace for us as we had been facing rain and snow for most of our adventure. And the property we stayed at had direct connection to the beach. So our first order of business was to just spend some time chilling in the sun. So far our adventure entailed moving so much, we didn't have that much time to relax. So this was a great change of pace. And building in the sand seems to be an innate trait the kids have. The boys took to it immediately and felt right at home on the beach. We played in the surf all day long, and then we sat there and enjoyed a sunset. Seems like everyone had their own tradition for the occasion. The sea kayakers just set up and floated near shore. Rockwell had made a friend that he could go hunt treasures on the beach with. And we enjoyed the show from the distance. Even though the sun was gone, no one was ready to leave. So we hung out, hunted for life in the surf, and jumped the waves. Life was abundant, and Alex found a cute little baby crab. Okay guys, from here, I'm going to let the ocean do the talking and leave you hanging out with us on the beach of Fort Myers. Enjoy the ocean, and if you do stick around, a pod of dolphins decides to swim pretty close to us around the 8-minute 30-second mark. Otherwise, I'll be continuing to catch you up on our adventures going forward tomorrow. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you then. There is.
Get down and look at him. That may have been a big breath before. There he is.
Big fish just jumped right there.
Come on, guys! Let's go wave jumping! Let's go
Wave jumping.
Two dolphins! A whole planet is open!
Nice.
You don't have your phone anymore, do you?
Woo-hoo-hoo. You see him coming in?
Can you jump in the water with me?
Yeah.
Whoa, there's a dolphin! Stop! What is that? I just saw the dolphin! Did you see that far away? That's what is making it! Oh, dolphin!
Yeah.
Why is the dolphin always there? Whoa, stop! Don't go that way! Dolphin, remove! Dolphin, remove! Dolphin, remove! Dolphin, remove! Dolphin, remove!
Dolphin alert. Yep, they're moving down the beach looking for food.
I don't want to get close to one. I don't want to get bite. I don't like That's the song of the dolphin? The beach. I don't like when the one jumps up and crashes. When will one jump up?
Oh, tough to know.
Maybe if we be quiet, one would jump up.
They might jump up, yep.
Dolphin!